This trip to Chile, paid with online money. No lottery wins, no shady courses, just 3 real online jobs that you can start right now from anywhere. If you're tired of online jobs that promise way too much and deliver way too nothing, this video is for you.
Data, data, data. I can't make bricks without clay. Any guesses who said this? This line was said by Sherlock Holmes, the famous detective created by Sir Arthur Conan Doyle.
The first job I tried was Data Analytics. I completed the Google Data Analytics certificate, which is a low-cost course you can do from home with no experience. It can take you between 3 months to 1 month, and I learned how to analyze real business data using tools like Excel, Google Sheets, SQL, and even Tableau to make data visualizations. It's the kind of data that helps business make real decisions. And the pay is also great. According to Glassdoor, a job in the US can land you between 51k to 81k a year, with a median average salary of 65k a year. And the best part, it's even scalable. You can grow into higher paying roles like data scientist, business analyst, and even machine learning engineer. If you enjoy solving real world problems and working with numbers, it's one of the best online jobs you can learn today. YouTube. The second online job I got is YouTube. And no, I'm not famous. In fact, this is only my second upload. But what most people don't get is that YouTube is for the long game. So the longer you stick with it, the more you can grow. In fact, you don't need to be famous. With just 1,000 people watching your content, you can start to monetize through ads, sponsorships, and even through selling your own products. Right now, I'm investing my own time and effort into it. I bought my very own camera, my very own 2 ring lights, and I made a mini studio in my home. At first, results could be small. Some people take up to 6 months to 30 days to start monetizing. But what matters most is consistency and the skills you get along the way. You can learn to edit, storytelling, and communications, which is key. So if you're up for the long game, YouTube is for you. And the third job is not a job, it's starting your own thing. And I want to show you here what we built starting from nothing in Argentina. This is called Sagrados Detalles. Sagrados Detalles is your online business selling things like clothing, electric kettles, kitchen sets, and thermic bottles. We buy them from cheap local providers and resell them for double. Right now, our Facebook page has about 2,000 followers. And we didn't have to rent out the physical space. We didn't have to invest a lot of money. We just had a phone, internet, and some initiative. And the results? We've saved over $3,000 while traveling. There's always that one thing you can do while not working for anybody else. Okay, those are the 3 real online jobs I actually did, and they all worked. But you don't have to try them all, just pick one and stick with it. And if you want to follow my journey, then subscribe. This is only just the beginning.